Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a super handy topic: how to add money to your MetroCard in 2025. If you're a city dweller or just visiting, keeping your MetroCard topped up is essential for seamless commuting. With advancements in 2025, the process is faster and more convenient than ever, thanks to new digital options and contactless tech. Let's dive right in. First off, what exactly is a MetroCard? It's your ticket to public transportation in many cities, like subways and buses. To add money, you have a few easy options. Start by checking your current balance. Most cards have a quick scan feature at stations or via the app. Option 1. Using a vending machine. Head to any subway station or transit hub. Insert your MetroCard into the machine. Select Add Value on the touchscreen. Enter the amount you want to add, say $20 or $50. And pay with cash, credit card, or even mobile pay. In 2025, these machines are super speedy with biometric options for quicker transactions. Option 2. The official transit app. Download it from your app store if you haven't already. Log in with your account. Create one if needed. Then go to the Add Funds section. Link your bank or credit card, choose the amount, and confirm. You'll get a notification once it's done, and your card will update automatically at the next reader. Option 3. Online through the transit website. Visit the official site, log in, select your MetroCard, and follow the prompts to add funds. This is great for planning ahead from home. A few tips to remember. Always double-check your balance after adding funds to avoid surprises. Watch out for any service fees, especially with digital methods, and keep your card secure to prevent fraud. If you run into issues, customer support is just a call or chat away. And there you have it. Adding money to your MetroCard in 2025 is straightforward and efficient. Give this video a like if it helped, and subscribe for more everyday tech tips. Thanks for watching, and safe travels.